Hey guys, so I'm about to run a Datalog on my car right now using the Cobb AccessPort. I have a custom tune on the car. So a few weeks back, my boost gauge, I did a run and my boost gauge was flashing, but this time it was different. The boost gauge was flashing continuously. So when the boost gauge over here flashes, this means knock or detonation. So something is happening. The problem is the AccessPort would give you an indication on what the issue might be, because you can check codes over here, or you can check what's causing the check engine light or limp mode. The car didn't go in limp mode, which is good. So the Cobb AccessPort gives you like a mini indication on where the issue is coming from, so you can get knock from major stuff or minor stuff. Major stuff like faulty injectors, a problem with your fuel pumps, and something minor could be that you just have a bad batch of gas tank that you fill. But to take an extra step, always care about your engine, do a Datalog. So what that happens is you do a Datalog, which is connected to the car's ECU, okay, and save the data, download it on the sheet, and then send it to your tuner. Tuner can then identify what is causing the issues, fixes something. Could be something major or minor, but I like to take an extra step and always do that. Okay, so now how to run a Datalog. So first of all, in your AccessPort, you need to go to the settings and then choose the parameters or the monitors that you want to log. I'll list them down in the description because there are a few ones that you need to add. Something like the air to fuel ratio, injector duty cycle, RPM boost, or your current map. After that, make sure you have a long empty road. Make sure engine temperature is both our engine and transmission temperature is high or good. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to have to do this on manual mode. So for the transmission setting, put it on R. Suspension on comfort, and VDC off, or traction control off, just so you avoid any slipping or any traction hitting while you're accelerating. So the reason for why you're going to have the transmission setting to R, because you want to, when you Datalog, you're going to do it from first to fourth gear, and you have to hit 7k RPM. So when your setting is on R, for transmission setting is R, it's not going to auto shift for you, so it will allow you to hit that rev limiter, that 7,000 RPMs. And that's about it. We can start right now. Manual. So now everything is set. All I have to do is click OK, which starts the data logging. I'll start that just when the car is rolling. Okay, now it's fourth gear. Stop. And that's it. Now all you have to do is download AP Manager. You can find out on the Cobb Tuning website. Mac or Windows, and then just plug in your AccessPort. Go into the menu, you'll see the latest Datalog is the one you just did. Download that in Excel format. Usually it's CSV format, and then send that to your tuner for diagnose, and then hopefully you figure out what's the